Hello, this is Armin with Castle Auto Sales, making a video of 2012 Ram 2500. This one has been lifted and deleted. As you see, excuse me, this is the front look of the truck. I believe that's the engine heater. Beautiful headlamps, headlights. 2500 heavy duty Cummins diesel truck. Really nice rims with no damage. Those are the shocks. I mean, that's the shocks. Really nice rare color. There's one damage right here. I don't know if it's possible to see. Oh yeah, right there. Looks like it's a color or something like that. It also has the airbag for the shocks. The front and rear bumpers are aftermarket. SLT. Backup camera right here. Let's check the back. It also has the outlets, trailer outlet, tinted lights on the back. Nice tread lines. There's a damage right here. It's possible to see right there. Rock chip right here. One here. A couple rock chips. I mean, it's a truck, so these are acceptable. Check the hood. There are a couple of rock chips on the hood. All right, let's check the inside. Before that, mirrors, side mirrors, I believe. Oh, yeah. Let's open the door. Oop, let's unlock it first. That's our electronic running board, automatic electronic. Your gauges right here, gauges for the truck. That's the airbag for the suspension, 10-way adjuster, seat adjuster, and also the back back filler. Let's start this baby. The actual mileage for this vehicle is 115 and 910. Let's start it. I hope you can listen to the exhaust sound. This is the lights, automatic lights. You also have a dimmer, and that's your trailer brake. You can adjust it through here. Alpine sound stereo. I believe the previous owner changed every sound system on this, but you have this one right here, exhaust brake, tow haul, and that's for power outlet right here. Turbo adjuster, right now it's on 1. I believe this one is turbo adjuster. I'm not sure about this truck, but usually when we get truck with this, it's turbo adjuster. Power outlet here. Another power outlet here. And this one is for the little thing in the front. You also have this. But I want to bring your attention to the seats right here, and also this one, driver's side, really nice and clean cloth seats. Let's check the back. Clean door, no damage. And looks like the speakers are Rockford. I see Rockford, something like that. You have also a container, beer container, I would say. You can put your beer in it, enjoy. Or if you're a White Claw guy, I have nothing to say, man. Not sure exactly what this one is. Yeah, I have no idea what this one is. Let's check the other side. Oh, before we go, that's another power outlet, and also the rear climate for rear passengers. You also have the running board. It would be stupid if they didn't put it here, so I just wanted to mention. Really nice and clean. And that's your subwoofer, Alpine S subwoofer. Really clean carpet. Again, another container. You also have the drink carrier right there, and middle console with the drink carrier. I want to bring your attention to the ceiling. Really nice. There's one little one right there, but overall it's beautiful. It's clean. Another pocket for extra space. There. We got this. Oh. Clean. Beautiful. The lift is right here, the jack. Let's check the engine. I'm gonna pop the hood right now. As you see, there are a couple more things here, which I have no idea what it is. 5.7 Turbodiesel Cummins. Some nice clicking sound. Video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate, ask away, and I will be more than happy to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit the like button. Thanks. Take care.